On today's episode of What Are the Garbage Disposals Eating, we have some leftover potatoes and Brussels sprouts from dinner, sausage from breakfast, a taco from a couple days ago, and some cheese that's been in the fridge a little too long. So let's see if the chickens, aka the garbage disposals, approve. The chickens approve. They really like the cheese. And yes, there is a little bit of chicken in there. And yes, I do feed my chickens some chicken, and there's nothing wrong with that. Does it seem a little weird? Yes, but it's actually a really good protein for them.